My talent is I'm teaching myself how to play the keyboard, and I'm going to be playing Baa Baa Backstreet. So let's do it.
Do you want to tell them how this works? What's on your fingers?
So basically my mom's friend made this whole thing, not the keyboard, just the book and the fingers, and the idea. And how I do it is, so see, this pinky is purple. This pinky is purple, and this note is purple. So I would go like, and this arrow is hold it down, like hold the key down, like